This is the latest cover of Vogue Philippines featuring Apo Whang-od, a 106-year-old legendary tattoo artist. Nowadays, we live in a world of commercial adulation for youth and this obsession for staying young, when in fact age and wisdom have an unparalleled power that should be celebrated. In our fashion magazines, we are assaulted with constant advertising promoting wrinkle-free and youthful skin, where youth is often equated with beauty. So it's really refreshing and inspiring, and a reminder that true beauty is timeless. The beauty exists at every age, along with our perfect imperfections. We should view our wrinkles as a statement of a life well lived, embracing the fundamental roller coaster that life offers us with all its rainbows of emotions and experiences. Let this cover be a reminder that we should embrace life with grace, dignity, and enthusiasm, rather than try to turn back the hands of time to some imaginary illusion of better days.